Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be showing you how to make chicken biryani the easy way, which anyone can make. Even if you don't know how to cook, we're going to show you how to make it. And don't be scared. These are all the ingredients you're going to need. So just pause it if you want to. So wash your chicken thoroughly. As you know, we do this every time we cook. Add your vegetable oil. Put the gas on medium. You don't want it too high unless you want your onions to burn. You don't want it too low unless you don't want it to cook. So put it on medium. You're looking for a slow, even cooking, so you want those onions to turn nice and brown and dark, preferably. Now take the chicken that you washed, put it in a pan, and now you want to add some ingredients, and I'm going to show you what to add. This orange powder we're adding consists of a few things, which are mixed chili powder, turmeric powder, curry powder, garam masala powder, and tomato powder. Right, in the meanwhile, put your chicken to one side. Right, now we're going to add the ginger and garlic to the blender, and we're going to blend this. As usual, we need that pasty consistency. So now you want to add that to the chicken. Now you want to add your yogurt to this. This looks a little bit like how you cook tandoori chicken. It's the same sort of procedure, but we're making obviously something different. So right, in a fresh pan you want to add some water, quite a lot of water, because now we're going to be making the rice. Also put the gas on high, so you want to boil the water quickly. Add your dry plums to your chicken mix. You see now your onion turning dark. You want them to turn more darker. The more the merrier, but not totally black. So add the bay leaf, the garam masala, and the cinnamon sticks to your water. Add a few mint leaves to your chicken mix. Make sure you keep an eye on those onions and keep mixing them, keep stirring them, keep cooking them. So this is the colour you're exactly looking for, dark, blackish, brownish. Now take them out, put them in a separate little bowl, and you want to save these for later. Just keep a little bit in the pan with a bit of oil. Now it's time to mix your chicken, mix it very well, coat everything for the chicken. Now that you marinated your chicken, you want to add this to the pan, just how we're doing, so just follow exactly what we're doing. Remember, this is on medium heat here. Start mixing the chicken, start cooking it slowly. In the meanwhile, our water in the big pan is starting to get hot now, starting to basically get ready. Drain the water that your rice has been soaking in for the past 5-10 minutes. Also make sure the rice is clean, yeah? And if it's not clean, wash it 3 times. But like us, if you want to keep it soaked for 10-20 minutes, that's even better. Add all the rice to the big pot of water. Be very careful. Give it a thorough mix, make sure you mix that really well, there's no sticky bits or blobs in there. Keep stirring the rice every now and then, every minute or so, or every 30 seconds. So it's been about 10 minutes since the chicken's been cooking, 10-12 minutes. Now we put it on low heat so it doesn't burn. This bit is very tricky. We've now put the top on, so we've covered it with a cloth, and now we're going to put the top on, and we're going to put something heavy on top so it keeps the moisture in and it cooks the rice. Now this bit is very tricky and it requires experience, so I mean if you can cook it then fair enough, but you got to learn how to make rice, that's the first thing. So it's been about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, now we've checked it and the water has evaporated and most of it's gone in the rice, so it's cooked now. Now we're going to drain the excess water and dump the rice out into something. Now we're going to start designing how we put in the rice, how we're going to put the chicken, how we're going to put the onions. So just watch and you can learn it. It's not very hard to do, it's a very easy thing to make, but it requires experience. So you can see we put the rice first, quite a bit of it, and then we'll put chicken now, and then you'll see ahead. So now that we've covered the rice first, chicken, now we're covering the rest of the rice on top, and then we're going to add the onions, and then we're going to add food coloring. So this is the last step. We're adding bullet chili and fresh red chili on top with some mint as well. Final step is to cover the top and put the cloth first, cover the top, and then put something really heavy on top so it basically closes the gaps and there's no leak or moisture. And we're going to leave it on here for about 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, and then it'll be made. And there you have it, guys. This is how you make chicken biryani the homely way. And if you've learned something, please consider subscribing. We really appreciate it because we do work really hard to make these videos and it takes time, but all for you lot. We'll do anything for you to be happy and for you to cook. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching, and take care. Bye bye.